Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. It's shout out time. But if you want to learn how to go off grid, one solar panel at a time, click that little link down below in the description. That'll take you to the first 8 videos in the playlist as to how I started the off-grid system this summer. Now, I've been doing the solar panels for 8.5 years now, so I'm up to 26 solar panels. There's only 13 on the off-grid system so far. But anyway, we get ready to do the shout out because I had 300 subs in 1 month. I'm at 346 right now, and I'm just sharing all of my tips and tricks and shouting out my best supporters. So as I clean up the solar panels, had I done this yesterday's sunny day, these are the grid tie, not the off grid, so they would have been all cleaned off. One person that's not on this list, but I'm going to say it anyway. I'm going to put him on in the description below. David Schlauer, if I believe that's how you say it, the best meteorologist in the world. And whenever there's a storm and he gets excited, he goes live. So he put one video out not too long ago, and it was that winter hurricane on the East Coast, and he just went ahead and went live to give us all the updates from all of his information and how all the weather patterns worked and everything. So that was really, really awesome. Here we go. Old time engineer. Cammy's tiny, say it again, Cammy's tiny house living. CC's World, Australia. I'm having troubles here. Black River Rambler. Everything's the turtle girl. She's a young girl. She's got a bunch of turtles. She's got aquariums and everything. I don't usually get into a lot of videos where there's kids, but she was very knowledgeable, and that's what I appreciate. Someday I would like a fish aquarium, and I didn't ever think about baby turtles, but she made it seem a little enticing anyway. Have some wildlife in the house that you don't have to let outside all the time. So